Have you ever held a curved mirror up to sunlight and watched the light gather into a single bright spot? That's no accident. Today we're going to find out exactly where a curved mirror sends light and why the answer depends entirely on which way the mirror curves. Every spherical mirror has a special point called the focus, labeled F. It sits on the principal axis, halfway between the pole and the center of curvature. When a ray of light travels parallel to the principal axis and hits the mirror, it reflects and passes through this point. That single meeting spot is the focus. Its distance from the pole is called the focal length, written as F, and it always equals half the radius of curvature. So F equals R divided by 2. A concave mirror curves inward, like the inside of a bowl. When parallel rays hit its surface, each one reflects at a slightly different angle, but they all aim toward the same destination, the focus F, sitting in front of the mirror. Because the rays physically meet there, this is called a real focus. It's a real point in space. You can place a screen there and see a bright dot. This is how solar cookers, headlight reflectors, and satellite dishes work, all concentrating energy at a single point. A convex mirror curves outward, like the back of a spoon. When parallel rays hit the surface, they bounce away from each other, they diverge. If you trace those reflected rays backward, extending them behind the mirror, they appear to come from a single point. That point is called the virtual focus, written F prime. It's virtual because the rays never actually meet there. The meeting only exists as an imaginary extension behind the mirror. This is why convex mirrors give such a wide field of view, making them perfect for car side mirrors and security mirrors in shops. Let's put both mirrors side by side. The concave mirror converges parallel rays to a real focus in front. Rays actually meet. The convex mirror diverges rays with a virtual focus behind. Rays only appear to meet. The concave mirror produces real inverted images for objects beyond the focus. The convex mirror always produces virtual upright and smaller images. Same shape, opposite curve. Completely opposite behavior. Let's lock in the key ideas. Focus F is the point on the principal axis where parallel rays meet after reflection. A concave mirror has a real focus. Reflected rays converge in front of the mirror. A convex mirror has a virtual focus. Reflected rays diverge, and the focus is behind the mirror. And the focal length F equals half the radius of curvature. F equals R over 2. And that's the focus of mirrors. Literally. Concave mirrors bring light together, convex mirrors spread it out, and the focal length ties it all back to the geometry of the sphere. If this helped you, hit subscribe for more physics explained simply. See you in the next one.